Jumping?
That's her jump.
Good job.
She has no idea where she is against the stone.
Good job. Yeah? One, two, three.
If he makes a mistake there,
Izzy did what, hon? She said see.
That little fake jump is her sign.
Ready?
Jump.
What?
She was going back.
Ready?
Can you do that?
1, 2, 3, get on my shoulders.
Boom.
No, I was going to hold your hands and stand up.
More.
1, 2,
She's
3.
done it more. Go, Joe.
Silly goose, I was going to stand up.
More.
You're going too quick. More? More?
Oh, I don't know what she's trying to say. That's the word. Jump.
She wants you to sit. She wants you to sit down.
1, 2, 3.
Nana, what are you taking a picture?
I hope you bring it out here.
I'm just going to slow cookies because they always break.